Imagine this. Deep under the ocean, where sunlight can't reach, lies a place so mysterious and hidden that it feels like a bottom of the world. It's called the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of all the Earth's oceans. If Mount Everest, the tallest mountain, were dropped into it, the tip of the mountain would still be more than a mile underwater. But what's down there? Is it just darkness and cold, or could there be secrets waiting to be discovered? Now, let's go back to the year 1960. Two brave explorers, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, decided to take a journey into the unknown. They climbed into a tiny submarine called the Trieste, which looked a bit like an underwater spaceship. It was built to protect them from the crushing pressure of the deep sea, a force so strong it could squish a car like a tin can. The Trieste had thick walls like a turtle's shell to keep them safe. Slowly, they began their descent into the trench, leaving behind the light and the familiar world above. As the submarine sank deeper and deeper, the ocean around them turned from blue to black, like someone dimming the lights until the room went completely dark. All they could see out of their tiny window were strange glowing specks drifting by, tiny sea creatures that made their own light like underwater fireflies. These creatures were adapted to the pitch-black deep, where no sunlight ever reaches. Jacques and Don marveled at how life could find a way to survive in such an extreme place. After nearly 5 hours of sinking, longer than a trip to Grandma's house, the Trieste finally touched down at the bottom of the trench, nearly 7 miles below the surface. The scientists stared out the window, expecting to see nothing but mud and silence. But to their amazement, they spotted a flatfish swimming by. It was a sign that even in the harshest, most impossible conditions, life could exist. Imagine you're holding your favorite balloon. If you took it to the bottom of the trench, the pressure would pop it instantly. Yet, this little fish was swimming around like it didn't have a care in the world. But here's the twist. To this day, the Mariana Trench remains one of the least explored places on Earth. Scientists have sent robots and submarines to take a peek, but we've only seen a tiny fraction of it. Some say there could be more strange creatures, maybe even ones we've never imagined, hiding in its depths. It's like a hidden world waiting to tell us its story. Jacques and Don's incredible journey showed us that even the scariest, darkest places can be full of surprises and wonder. And their adventure reminds us of something important. The more we explore, the more we learn about how amazing and mysterious our planet truly is. So the next time you're by the ocean, look out at the waves and think about the secrets that lie beneath them. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one to discover something incredible in the deep, dark world of the Mariana Trench.